How to save audio from Instagram Reels. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save audio on Instagram Reels. After you open your Instagram app like this, now tap on this reel section. After you open the reel section, now you can be able to see different videos on with audio or with sound on Instagram. So let's say I want to save audio under this video, so you can be able to save audio or someone talk on Instagram Reels. So tap on this icon as you can see now. So always you'll be able to see this icon. Tap on this icon at the bottom right side, this icon, the last icon. After you tap on the icon, as you can see now, here you can be able to see different people that use the same audio on their Instagram videos. As you can see, here is it. So to save the audio on your Instagram, now tap on this icon, this one. So now I save the audio on my Instagram reel. Whenever I want to record a video, Instagram will allow me to use the audio on my Instagram. That's it guys, on how to save audio or how to save someone talk on Instagram reels. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.